Yes. Okay na? Okay na? Okay na? Kasi priority number 1, she's having lots of exposure here.
Ano nangyayari kay photographer?
Sian, I love you!
Nag-Myra Vita White. Hand and body lotion pa si photographer.
Sian! Sian, I love you!
Two, official photographer, please.
Sian!
Nasira daw yung camera niya.
Siguro kasi
Ano
maraming
gagawin
tao
natin?
dito eh. Parang
Sian!
nasira yata yung...
Lalagyan na.
Okay.
Myra Vita White.
There.
Okay na daw.
Whitening with youthful softness. Hindi mo mabayan. Basta ikaw.
Okay.
Sian! Oh my God, paniklon. Sian! Sian, I love you! I love you, Sian! Sian!
Let's proceed with priority number 3. Thank you so much. You can now proceed on the side. Yes, let's have priority number 3 now.
Sana mababay para kay Cinnamon.
Priority number 3.
Naara sa Myra Vitamin EB.
Take a photo, please move to the side and get your picture just right.
Hindi mo mabayan. Basta ikaw na ang
Sian!
Okay, let's proceed to priority number 4.
hand and body lotion.
Yes, let's make this quick.